Hi everyone. I wanted to share a resource with you, and I've touched on some of the components of the psychology of change framework in some of your journal posts, but I wanted to provide you with some of the resources that may actually help you with the why behind how folks react to change, as well as things that we can do to help facilitate change and improvement activities. And it has a lot to do with the people that do the change. And very often we focus on our systems or processes, but it's the people who make things work. So this actually addresses those people who make things work. And I wanted to share this resource with you because I found it to be very, very insightful and helpful, and really is cutting edge as far as some of the upcoming shifts that we're seeing because of how rapid change and improvement is occurring in healthcare, and how we need to accommodate for those changes, because what we've done in the past doesn't necessarily work right now with how quickly everything is moving and shaking. So I wanted to share this with you. Just know that the framework is an attachment on the link that I'm providing to you, and there's also some information overall as far as some slides regarding the psychology of change. And there's also additional links that you can access, and you may need to register on IHI, but it's all free. And then you can access numerous white papers, which are really good for some of the maybe assignments or maybe your change or improvement plan that you have coming up. So I just wanted to give you a little tip, and let me know if you have any questions or concerns, or if I can assist you in any way. Take care now.